Here's a quick walkthrough on how to create a class. You can click on your name at the top right, go to Teacher Portal, and you'll see your classes. Click on the plus button that allows you to create a class. The other way is if you go to the home page and you click on classes here, and class I created, that's where your classes will be. Click plus to create a class. And on this page, you can add in the name for the class and call it whatever you want. That's the name that the student will see. Description, time, date, those are optional. And so here you can type in the time for the class. That's for you and the student to get an idea when the class will happen. And in the practice section, that's where you can add the practice tests or modules or full tests for students to do. For the time, this is the time that you want the student to do the test. You can also leave this blank. If you have the time here, then that's when the test will be available for the student to do. If you leave it blank, then it's available anytime that you assign the student to do. Once you're done, click Save. And now you have to go here and click on the plus sign to invite a student, copy that link for the student. Now let's switch to the student page. So imagine now you're the student will go to the link you sent him, and if the student has an account, they can log in. If not, then they can register. So type in the information. Let's say it's John Smith. After registering, student can click here to join the class. Now that they're in the class, they can see the class list here. They can also access that from the home page, and at the top, click on classes. They can see the class that you assigned the student. So now let's switch to the teachers page and to show you how to send test and practice questions to the students. So in here, you can choose whether you want to send the test that you created or a module or drill that you assign. Click on plus sign to send the student so that they have access to it. Now let's switch over to the student page. The students, when they're in the class page, they can see those tests that you send them. So here, because there's a time, the student can't do the test yet. They can do this test because there's no time. When they click on the start button, they can do the test. So I'll quickly fast forward the process of doing the test. And when they're done, they can see their score right away on the test results page. And when students are done with the test, let's switch over to the teachers page. On the teachers page, if you click on tests or modules and drills, you can see the student scores. And when you click on the score, you can see the student's results.